Now let's write our first Docker file in Windows machine, and we will execute using Docker desktop. Okay, in Windows based server using Docker desktop. This is example 5. So let me attach our, so let me copy this exactly example 5 and paste it here. So this time it's example 5. So it is Windows machine and using Docker desktop. So same thing, process, create a Docker file, build a Docker image, spin the container and push the image into the Docker hub. So let's get into the action. So I will cat Docker file. I'll copy this code exactly. I don't want to waste your time writing the same thing again and again. I'll copy this. So now I'll get back to I'll open, where's that, Windows PowerShell, run as administrator and click OK. Clear the screen first and make it smaller. Okay, this is smaller. Yeah, this is fine. So let's where are we now? It's not now. Let me close this. I will open in a specific directory where I want to run. Okay, I'll open a specific directory. Yeah, build image. So Docker. So here I am gonna create one directory. This is 3000 and welcome message example. Here I am gonna open Windows PowerShell. Open PowerShell window here. Yeah, now you got it. So let me clear the screen here first. Done. And let me do ls. Nothing is there inside the directory. Now I will create vim docker file. Okay, we will do it in another way, the most simplest way. It would be easy for you also, the Windows users. So I just want to make it in a most simplest way. Open with VS Code. So in this directory, create a Docker file. Yes, you see the symbol. Now let me paste it. Okay, maintainer got deprecated, so that's the reason. So anyway, it's not required. I will remove this. So now we will have only 3 steps. Save this. So now let me get into the same directory and hold shift button for Windows. For Windows, hold shift button and click on right mouse button and click on open PowerShell window here. Okay, it's been opened. So now let me do ls, and here you can find Docker file. You see that Docker file, and lost written all that information. We are not worried about that. Now let me say Docker. The file is ready. Now it's time to build. So Docker build, and in spite of giving the tag name separately, I will attach a tag directly. So I would say tag option T, and I'll say cube Charan and welcome Windows. Okay, and version 1 and dot is very important, and execute. Here it is, the action started. Here you can see the building timing, and from Docker this is a step 1 by 2. You see that it's built, the image is being built, and here you can see the timing. Of course, whatever we say, but however, Linux server is much faster than Windows when it comes to the operational activities. And 22.3 MB, so it's taking some time. Let's wait for action to be done. But by the time you look into this command, so docker build option T, and then this is the name of the image, and dot. So dot means in this directory you have a folder. So use docker. Okay, done, finished. So I say docker images. You see that your image, kubectl welcome Windows and version 1 tag and image ID and the size. Now let us get into the Docker desktop and see. Here it is. There is no volumes, there is no containers, but you should see the image as kubectl welcome Windows. This is the image, and now here we have a containers. There is no container. You can start this image, you can run this image from here by pressing this triangle or play symbol or play icon, or else you can say docker run and option name I say this is welcome win container, and image name is cube charan welcome Windows. So unable to find image. Okay, got it. That's my mistake. So I gave a wrong tag. I did not give the tag. That's my mistake. Docker run option name I say welcome win container. Now image name should be cube charan / welcome. Let me check the name one more time. It's better to check one more time. Okay, copy to clipboard. Welcome Windows. Tag v1. Done. Welcome to the world of Docker from AHR. You see that? It's been successfully printed. So we have written, we have built, we have spun. We have spun the container. And let's get into the Docker desktop and we'll see. And you see that welcome container exited. Now if you want to do it, if you want to run it again, you can click and you can run it. It's exited. So you go to the view details and you see the logs. The log is welcome to the world of Docker from AHR. You can run how many times you want. Okay. So now you have two options to push. Either you can do it from here saying docker push, or else the simplest way, the easiest way is doing, come to the images section, your image is there, then click on push to the hub and wait, relax, chill. It will do the rest of the work. You don't need to worry about anything. You don't need to worry about the login, configuration, nothing. It will do the rest. You just chill out. So here you can see v1 digest, and it's been digested into the Docker Hub. Now let's get into the Docker Hub and we'll check what's the condition. So let me click on kubectl repositories. Here it is, welcome Windows. Okay. So now you can clearly see that with this we are able to demonstrate this exercise using Dockerfile inside the Windows Server using Docker Desktop is done. Creating your own Dockerfile, building your own Docker image, spinning your own Docker container, and pushing that into a Docker Hub